Hi, my name is Lauren Schultz and I'm the Media Coordinator at Independence High School. This tutorial is to show you how to use One Access, an initiative between the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Library and Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools, which allows CMS students to use their student ID number to access resources. Students can log in to One Access in two ways. The first is through the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Library website, cmlibrary.org, which you see here. The second is through their student portal. In this demonstration, I'm going to show students and staff how to log in using the student portal. If a student is on a school computer, their student portal immediately opens when they open their internet browser. If they're not on a school computer, they need to go to the CMS website, cms.k12.nc.us, and click on the link for the student portal in the lower right-hand side of the main page. Once you are in the student portal, please click on the One Access link. This link will direct you to the resources page on the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Library's website. This list of resources is alphabetized by title, and you can narrow down the type of resource it is by looking at the right-hand menu. So for example, if you want to check out audiobooks, you can look here. You can look for ebooks here, magazines. For our purposes, we'll narrow down by research databases because these are widely used by high school students. A database is simply a collection of information that is organized and searchable. Think iTunes, except these databases are for educational use. To access one of these databases, simply click on Access Now. When you click Access Now, it is going to prompt you to type in your CMS student ID number or your library card number. If you are a staff member, you will need to type in capital CMS and then type in your NCID cloud number in order to access any of the resources through the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Library. If you are a CMS student, you simply type in your student ID number and click Login. Once you have done this, you can begin your research process by using any database in One Access. If you would like to check out a book, this process works a little differently. You would simply go up to the search bar, make sure you select Catalog, and type in the name of the resource you're looking for. For our purposes, we're going to be searching for a copy of To Kill a Mockingbird. And then you would click Search. Once you've searched for the name of your resource, the catalog will list all of the resources available that fulfill your search query. This could change in format. You have books, you have large print books, audio books, ebooks, etc. If you decide that you would like to place a hold on a book and reserve it for pickup at the library, you will need to log into your account by clicking the Login button in the top right-hand corner of your screen. This will prompt you to log in using your student ID number or your staff ID number. If you've never done this before, you'll have to set up your account. Your student ID number or your teacher ID number are already tied to your name, so you simply have to create a username and enter a valid email address. Please note, your PIN number will be the last 4 digits of your student ID number or your teacher ID number. Now that you're logged in, to place a hold on a book, you simply select Place a Hold. It will then ask you to select your location of pickup. You can select any of the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Library locations for pickup. For independent students, the closest locations are the Mint Hill Library or Hickory Grove. Once you've selected your location, make sure you click Confirm Hold. You'll be notified by email when your book is ready for pickup. Please remember, students are not subject to public library fines if they use their One Access accounts instead of a regular public library card. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful for you in discovering how to use the One Access program. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your school's media specialist. If you're an independent student or staff member, that would be me. We're here to help you. Thank you.